So here's a little secret to success and thriving in life as a different thinker. You know what I have learned in years of coaching successful, thriving different thinkers? You know, those people with labels like ADHD, dyslexia, autism, Asperger's, OCD, anxiety, depression even. I've talked before about highly successful people hitting a plateau and not being able to move past it either in business or in life, and sometimes in both. Can be an issue. Lots of conversations with me start with people at this place of frustration, anger, fear, anxiety, and optimism. Here's the secret. The freedom we seek, the success we yearn to feel, the wisdom of what to do next is one thing, and it's held in the label. The label we have applied to ourselves, the label others have applied to us and we've accepted. I'm talking about the definition of who we are. This is where people get stuck. The part of the brain that creates meaning and understanding to everything. It just does this. Dr. Carolyn Leaf talks about it. Dr. Daniel Amen talks about it. Dr. Brené Brown talks about it. This is the part of the brain for neurodiverse people that seems very less affected by anxiety, ADHD, dyslexia, and autism. We're just like everybody else. Our brain applies labels to everything automatically. Understanding safety. We are giant label-making machines. Here's the secret. Most of the time, you don't pick those labels. Your fear, your anxiety, they pick those labels. Since the day you were born, it's been doing that. When society notices a pattern of behavior, it applies a label to that. We do it to other people. People do it to us. The label isn't good or bad. It's a word, a group of words. And the value and meaning is something that we decide as we gather information and data. Here's the next level of the secret. It's just one word. No person is just one word. We are the contents, not the container and not the label. The secret is, do you know the ingredients are contents of who you are? The ingredients of you, your strengths, your weaknesses, your values, your beliefs, your actions, your abilities, your support system. Who's around you supporting you? You are the interpretation of your past. You are the connection that you are in this moment to the present. You are the belief you have in your future. You're your physical body, your emotional intelligence, your education, your skills. You are the fuel you put into your body in the last 72 hours. You are your neurology in this very moment. This is where people get stuck. They don't know. They don't know all the ingredients of who they are. They're playing small because no one helped lead them to themselves. Because once you know all these ingredients, you get to create an amazing, successful, thriving life. Less fear, less all of those other things, these patterns that someone noticed and gave you a word for. It was never meant to do anything more than for you to explore and discern the value you are going to take from it. This is the secret. Your labels don't define you. Your choice of ingredients for each moment defines who you are and who you get to continually behave and be. You have a recipe for success made out of your best parts of you. In this moment, now that you know the truth about success and thriving in your life, what are you going to do about that today? I believe in you. I just gave you the recipe for success. What are you going to do about it? That's my question. I'm Georgina, International Neurodiversity Success Coach, and if you would like help finding and understanding all of your ingredients, that's what I'm here for. Bye now.